Hello kids, welcome to my channel. Today we will learn alphabet with things. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. Let's start. A for apple. B for ball. C for car. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for gift paper. H for honey. I for ice tray. J for jug. K for key. L for lion. M for mug. N for napkin. O for onion. P for potato. Q for question mark. R for remote. S for sunscreen. T for tomato. U for umbrella. V for vase. W for whistle. X for xylophone. Y for yellow color. Z for zucchini. Now finish. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and G. Now I know my ABC. 26 letters from A to G. Now subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video.